Let's dive into how you can easily transform a vertical video into a horizontal format using Flixier. This will come in handy if you're trying to compile videos from TikTok or other similar platforms into longer YouTube videos. Start by going to Flixier.com and clicking on Start Editing. You can upload a video from your computer, import it directly from TikTok by copying and pasting a link, or bring it over from your phone by scanning a QR code, among other methods. After uploading your video, drag it down to the timeline to start editing it. The first thing you need to do here is adjust the canvas resolution. Since you're converting to a horizontal layout, make sure you click this little button in the top left of the canvas and switch from the default resolution to a widescreen 16:9 format. To address the empty spaces that appear on each side when you switch, you have several options. The first one is pretty basic. You can just change the background color to something that looks a little better. All you have to do is click on the canvas next to the video and pick a new one. If you're looking for something a little less plain, you can also use an image or a video as the background. Upload your own media or search the Stock tab on the left for something more suitable. Then drag your chosen background onto the timeline, making sure that it is under the main video, and adjust it to fill the entire canvas. Make sure the background goes all the way to the end of your video in the timeline. Lastly, you can use the right side menu to lower the brightness or apply a blur effect to ensure that it doesn't distract too much from the main video. Another more popular option is to use the same video as the background. Select your main clip on the timeline, then use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste your video again. Now drag the second copy underneath the main one on the timeline. Select it and click on Fill Canvas on the right to have it cover up the entire screen. Lastly, apply a blur effect to this background layer to create a glassy effect that ensures it won't distract from the main content. You can find the blur under the Effects tab on the right and adjust it to your liking. When you're satisfied with your edit, all you have to do is click Export to save the video to your computer or publish it online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more editing tips and tricks. Until next time, happy editing!